Hi, my name is Phillip Nguyen. It is good to be back with you on this second video. The last one I did was about freezing up and crash when your penny website encounter heavy bidding or heavy traffic. That was the video that we produced a few months ago. Today I finally got a chance to do a second video. This video is also focused on what else can go wrong with your website. Because of the video time, we want to focus on the general of it. We can't really go into the very details of how and why, so on and so forth. One thing that we need to really understand is that the server security, both on hardware and software, is very important. And let me start by saying that not just any server will do the job. Now, you may say, well, I have a server that hosts an e-commerce website that does millions of dollars a month or a day, and therefore I don't need a big server or a over budget server for penny auction site. Well, the argument doesn't work with penny auction website. Your penny auction website may not do a lot of work, may not produce you a lot of income or sales, but it still needs a very heavy, dependent resource server. Because the way it works, because the way it functions. So I would say this: you should budget at the minimum about $300 US per month for your server expenses if you are planning on hosting your own. You also need someone who really knows how the penny auction work and the way it behaves, so that you can set up your server, because it's a very heavy server dependent and resource. Besides being able to handle the heavy workload that it encounters once in a while. The reason I say once in a while here is your website may sit there for hours, and all of a sudden it gotta handle tons of traffic, because that is the way penny auction work. People don't bid on it until the last few seconds, unless you use penny auction for reserve auction and other type of auction that you still can do within the penny auction system that we have, or at least we have. Some software can not do that. Our software can allow you to do all kind of auction. But I am talking about the traditional penny auction, where everyone jump in to bid in the last few seconds. Now, eventually that a lot of people, or a lot of bad people, will try to take advantage of system, try to get into your back end, try to get into the front end, try to jam a lot of traffic on your site, so that your site can crash or freeze, or they use the gang up activities so they can bid in all of certain tons of bid and then lock out everyone else to assure the win. There's all kind of tactics out there that people use to take advantage of penny auctions. So you have to know how to handle those, okay? Both on the hardware and the software. So once again, you need a server, not only a lot of power and juices, but a server configured with hardware and software security, because you will encounter a lot of hacker, a lot of DOS, denial of service, so on and so forth.